bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm checking in with Thinergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thinergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thinergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thinergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thinergy.
Thinergy.
To all the crew at Thinergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thinergy. I think you should give it a shot.